Hello friends, hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are going to discuss the car which is FIAT 500C. So in this video, we are going to find out why this car stops or its gear turns into neutral automatically while driving. While this happens, you can hear the noise from the gear or transmission. So let's get into finding out the reason behind the issue. First of all, we are going to connect the MDP with our car to check the DTC. We can see that there are two possible transmission error codes are being seen. In the first TCM P0720-64, there is wheel speed signal plausibility failure, while in second TCM P0715-31, clutch disc speed no signal. Now we are going to check the fluid level first. As we can see that the fluid level is good, the condition of the transmission clutch fluid is good as well. After checking this, we move on to the checking in wires, while in case the connectors are being loose or any other wire is being broken or being pressed. Along this, we will check the continuity of each wire. As you can see that everything in wiring is good. So now we move on to the next step, in which we will go through the detailed checkup of the transmission in case of an internal error possibility. Here is the clutch plate. Clutch plate's condition is also good as well, as there is no sign of slipping. Here is the clutch bearings. It is also perfect as well. Now we will go through the clutch plates internally because there is not even a sign of slipping, and springs movement is also perfect in it. So the issue is in this part, as it is rotating but it should not be rotating, because this one is connected with the output shaft. As we can clearly see, it's moving, which is causing the car to stop or turning into neutral, while you can see another clutch plate which is fully locked in and it's not moving. So we can say that the clutch plate is faulty. So now we will change it to resolve the problem. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel to stay connected for more updates as well. Thank you.